Hello students, very good evening to all of you. Hello Uday, hello Shagufta. So yes, I hope that you are preparing really well and working hard for your COMEDK examination. So don't worry, in today's class we are going to discuss the previous year questions from the chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. Okay, a very important high weightage topic. So I hope that all of you will have already prepared this chapter, right? So we will be solving questions on that, and yes, so let's see how many of you are answering. So do put the question number and the answer in the comment section. Okay, so hi Shudha Devi, hello, very good evening. Yes, so let's get ready students. We can have just wait for 2 minutes for some more students to join. Yes, we already have 20 plus students, so let's not delay it. I have some 30 questions for all of you, and please do score yourself, and at the end of the session let me know your scores also. Okay, fine. So students, let's get started now with the first question. Which of the following alcohol reacts most readily with Lucas reagent? Okay, a very easy question. Which of the following alcohols react most readily with Lucas reagent? You have been given with this option. This all options are available in front of you. 1C, all of you have started. Okay, yes, so yes, definitely it is option number C. I'll tell you the theory behind it. So Lucas reagent is your HCl in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2, and you should remember that tertiary alcohols react immediately, right, and secondary alcohols reacts after 5 minutes, and primary alcohols reacts on warming, right? So we have to see that if it is reacting most readily, then it must be a tertiary alcohol. So this is a primary alcohol. If you see this one, this carbon which contains the OH is attached to 2 other carbons, so it is secondary. The carbon which contains the OH group is attached to 3 other carbons, so it is tertiary, and the carbon which contains the OH group is also attached to 1 carbon, so it is primary. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, question number 2. 1-phenyl ethanol can be prepared by the reaction of benzaldehyde with. So if you have benzaldehyde, okay, and we have to produce 1-phenyl ethanol. So that is like this. Sorry, yes. This is 1-phenyl ethanol. So how can we prepare this one? Anyone? 2B, Uday has already given the answer, ethyl iodide and magnesium. Okay, so students, see here, I already have 1 carbon, right? I just need 1 extra carbon here. If I add, already 1 carbon is there and you are adding 2 more carbons. In ethyl there will be 2 carbons, right? So I will get 3 carbon in the product, which is not required. So definitely this is not the answer. Let me check methyl iodide and magnesium. So what will happen if I add methyl iodide and magnesium? So this will give me first CH3 MgI, then this is plus, this is minus. So if I just expand this aldehyde while writing, let me just expand this aldehyde like this. Okay, this is minus, this is plus, so this minus will attack here, right? So what I will get here, this one will form CH3 CHOH, right? So I will get this one with option number C. Yes, Shagufta is correct, Sajal Singh is correct, Grit Scroll is correct. Mohammad Ashraf Ali has asked me something. Dear, at this point of time, I'm not going to get distracted. Please, any other questions apart from doubts, I'll be taking at the end of the session. Okay. So, Mohammad, I'll be answering at the end of the session, not at this point of time. So, please don't feel bad. But yes, we should not be distracted while doing the session. The question here is the product of the following reaction is. So, you know, this is cleavage of ethers, and very important question. So, how does this OH or this bond will cleave here? So whenever there is a phenol ring, okay, be very sure that the bond has to break here. I have explained this in many times. If you have a phenol group on one side, then definitely phenol will be the one of the product. So here phenol is there, here there is no phenol, here there is no phenol, here there is a mixture of product, this is not there. So this bond will break here, and here this one will take H plus. So you will get option number A. Okay, yes, 3A is the correct answer. Yes, Vyom Parikh, we will be doing important revision questions as well. Next question number 4, correct acidic strength in the increasing order of the following compounds. This is very important question. Such type of questions are much more expected. I hope is the question visible to all of you. Yes, I think it is visible. Okay, so you have to find the decreasing order of acidic strength. So you know, if I have electron withdrawing group, then acidity will increase. If I have electron donating group, then acidity will decrease. Apart from this, electron withdrawing group, if it is at para position, it will be more effective than at ortho position. Okay, so and if you have any O, okay, so let me first see how many of you have answered it correctly. 4B all of you are telling. Okay, so first of all, if I see nitro group, okay, so nitro group is definitely a electron withdrawing group, so 2 will be highest. I have only one option with that, so that is why definitely it is first, it will be option number B. But let's see the other options also. After 2 it will come 4, right, NO2, because NO2 is present at meta position. Next you can see here, I have this one where I have OH group where there is no substituent attached. Then here you can see out of 3 and 4, okay, this one will actually donate electrons, this one will also donate electrons, but para position is more effective. So here the donation will be maximum, the acidity will decrease maximum, so 5th one will be last, and before that we will have 3, so option number B here. Yes, all of you have given correct answer here. Next question number 5, anisole on reaction with chloromethane in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. So anisole is what? OCH3 group, okay, and when you react it with chloromethane, that is CH3Cl in presence of AlCl3. Which reaction is this one? Friedel-Crafts reaction, right? Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So this one is a electron donating group, and if it is an electron donating group, it is ortho and para directing group, right? Ortho and para directing group. So what will be the product here? Orthomethyl anisole and paramethyl anisole. So option number C. Yes, all of you have given correct answer here. Next question number 6, arrange the following alcohols in the decreasing order of their reactivity towards sodium metal. Okay, so decreasing order of their reactivity towards sodium metal. Now see, when one alcohol reacts with a metal, okay, so what does it do? It donates H plus, right? So it will form RO minus, Na plus, and then H2 gas will form. So this one will donate H plus, right? If it is donating H plus, what will be left behind? RO minus, which is the conjugate base of the acid. Now if the RO minus will be very stable, this donation will be easy. If the RO minus is unstable, donation will be difficult. So here I will see that I will get CH3 whole 3 CO minus, then I will get CH3 whole 2 CHO minus, CH3 CH2O minus. Okay. Now what we will see, that where it is more stable, you can see that here if this group is present, CH3, it is like this, see, CO minus, CH3, CH3 and CH3. All of them will donate electrons, right? The O minus negative charge will increase. So it will become more unstable. So the primary one is the most stable one. So definitely 1 will be more stable, or it will be more reactive towards hydrogen metal, then 2 and then 3. So option number A here. Okay. 6 is option number A. Those who are saying A, it is correct. I hope it is clear why it is A. You have to check the stability of the conjugate base. Okay, stability of the conjugate base you have to see. Okay, students. Okay, next we'll go to 7th question. The major product of an acid catalyzed dehydration of 2-methyl cyclohexanol and butanol. So you have 2-methyl cyclohexanol and we have butane 1-OL. Okay, butane 1-OL. So what is the major product in both the cases? Yes, so here definitely we will form a more substituted product. So this OH and H will be removed, so we will get a double bond here, right? So that is your one product. 1 methyl cyclohexene and 2 methyl, so this one will not be there, and here I will obviously only one product will form, that is but 1 ene, not but 2 ene, so I will be getting option number A. Okay, so correct answer is option number A. I hope this is clear. Yes. Next, question number 8. Which of the students, I am just moving to the next question. If you find any doubt in any question, if you are not clear, just comment down. I am checking your comments. I will wait and explain once again. Okay. If you are not putting any doubts, I am thinking that you are clear with the question. Clear? Okay. Yes. Next, question number 8. Which of the following cannot be used to oxidize primary alcohol to aldehydes? Yes. So, primary alcohols to aldehyde. KMnO4 in acidic medium. This KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent, right? If it is a strong oxidizing agent, then it will directly oxidize primary alcohols to carboxylic acid. We will not get aldehydes there. So, option number C is the correct answer. Yes, all of you are correct here. Next, let's move to question number 9 here. That is, we have OH, CHCl3 plus aqueous NaOH and hydrolysis. We got this product. It is which type of reaction? Yes, it is which type of reaction? You have a CHCl3 plus aqueous NaOH. So, can we say it is which type of reaction? Yes, electrophilic substitution reaction, option number B. Next, question number 10. When phenol is treated with chloromethane in presence of AlCl3, you have phenol, okay, and it is treated with chloromethane. Again, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, AlCl3. So, what we will get? So, here it is very important to know the common names. You can see that common names are used. So, I will get, since it is OH is an electron donating group, so it is both ortho and para directing group. So, I will get OH CH3 at the para position, plus I will get OH and CH3 at the para position and at the ortho position, right? So, we will get mixture of ortho and para cresol, so option number D here. Yes, very good students. Next, we will go to 11th question. Why alcohols have much higher boiling points than the hydrocarbons from which they are derived? This is very simple question. Why they have higher boiling points? Okay, Prakash, I will be discussing 7th question once again. Okay, study Sonu is also asking. So, just students wait, I will be taking 7th question once again. Okay, after this 11th question, I will be discussing the 7th question once again. Yes, yes, study Sonu and Prakash J, we will discuss. Just let's complete this one. Okay. Yes. Manish has already given yes. So, what happens? Higher boiling point is due to the hydrogen bonding between the molecules. So, option number D here. Yes. So, now just let's move to question number 7. Some students are having doubt there. Yes. So, what is that? The major product of the acid catalyzed dehydration. What is the doubt there? So, you have to see, when you have dehydration, right, you have to form more substituted alkenes. So, here if you see for this one, especially for this one, Sedgwick rule says that more substituted alkene should form. So, you can remove this HOH and you can remove this HOH. So, this is suppose number 1 and this is number 2. So, what are the products that is possible? I will get one product like this, okay, where I am removing this one, and I will get another product that is this one, right, where I have CH3 like this. So, now this is a I can say this is a more substituted alkene, because you can see around double bond how many carbons are there, you have to check. So, around this double bond you have one carbon on this side, okay, and one carbon on this side and one hydrogen. So, I have two carbons around this double bond. But if I check on this one, right, so you have see one carbon on this side, one carbon on this side and one carbon on this side and one hydrogen. So, I have 3 carbons and 1 hydrogen. So, that is why this is more substituted product. So, this one will be the product formed. Okay. No, Shagufta, it will not be but 2 ene. See, you have butane 1 OL, right. See, you have butane 1 OL. right? If butane 1-OL is there, there is only one possibility for the product to form, right? Only this one will be removed and we will get a product like this only, but1-ENE. If this would have been butane 2-OL, okay, if it would have been butane 2-OL, then I would have two probabilities of getting but1-ENE also, but2-ENE also. In that case, but2-ENE would have been the major product. But when I have but1-OL, butane 1-OL is given, right? So only one product is possible, that is but1-ENE. Here there is no possibility of but2-ENE product formation, so it is, that is why option number A. Okay. Yes, I hope this is clear. Prakash J, conjugate base 1. Okay, question number 6. Okay, so Prakash, see here. See what all things you will get here. CH3 for the first one, CH3, CH3, O minus, right? So what will these CH3 do? They will donate electrons and O minus will become more and more unstable. Next, if you see CH, O minus, CH3 and CH3. Now this one will donate electron, right? So these all will donate electron and the charge will increase here. Next, if I see CH3, CH2, O minus, here only this one carbon is donating, or I can say two carbons are donating. So in this case, the stability will be highest of this oxygen because negative charge is less. So more stable means more reactive. So that is why option number A here. Okay, I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, fine. Let's now move to question number 12 where we stopped. Yes, yes. So I've just discussed 11th, right? Yes, 12. Which one of the following alcohols give a ketone on oxidation? This is very simple question. You have to get a ketone on oxidation. So you should know here that primary alcohols, okay, if you have primary alcohol on oxidation, it will give you aldehydes, and secondary alcohols, okay, secondary alcohol on oxidation will give you ketones. Okay, so we have isopropyl alcohol, which is a secondary alcohol. So secondary alcohol will give you ketones. So that is why option number B. Yes, 12B is correct here. Yes, 13th question, Lucas reagent is used to distinguish. Yes, Lucas reagent, why do we use Lucas reagent? For what purpose? To distinguish acids, alcohols, amines or haloalkanes. So today in the first question only we have discussed about the Lucas reagent. It is used to distinguish alcohols. Tertiary will react immediately, secondary will react after 5 minutes, and primary will react on warming or heating. Okay, so B is the correct answer. Next, reaction of phenol with CHCl3 and aqueous NaOH followed by hydrolysis is likely to give you. So we have phenol, okay, reaction of phenol with CHCl3 and aqueous NaOH. So this is which reaction and what is the name of this reaction and what will be the product here? Yes, I have already got the answer, salicylic aldehyde, and the name of this reaction is Reamer-Tiemann reaction, right? So that is your salicylic aldehyde. Okay. No study, so no, it is not Coles reaction, it is Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Next, which one of the following is weakly acidic? Means you have to tell the weakest acid among the following. So let's, so you can see how important it is to know the common name. Paracrisol. So I have paracrisol is this one, OH with CH3 group here. Then we have phenol group here, okay, phenol group. Then we have para-nitrophenol, and then you have para-chlorophenol. Okay, weakly acidic means which is the weakest acid out of this one. Yes, so here you can see this is electron. So always remember, electron withdrawing group will increase the acidity, electron donating group will decrease the acidity, right? So here it is an withdrawing group, so it will increase the acidity. This is also electron withdrawing group, increase the acidity. CH3 is a donating group, so it will decrease the acidity, so it is the weakest acid. So option number A here. Yes, 15A, those who are saying it is correct. Next question, can you answer? So ethanol when warmed with iodine and sodium carbonate gives a yellow colored crystalline solid which is used in the preparation of antiseptic ointments. The yellow colored crystal substance is ethanol, that is CH3CH2OH, when reacted with what? Iodine and sodium carbonate, okay, I2 plus Na2CO3. It gives a yellow color crystalline solid. So what will be the product here? 16b, yes, the yellow color product formed is CHI3, okay. So remember, if you have methyl ketone, that is CH3CO group, okay, if this group is present, or CH3CHOH, if this group is present, if any of this one group is present, then it shows iodoform test, okay, it shows iodoform test, and we will get yellow precipitate which is called as iodoform. So the correct answer for this one will be option number B. Next, the unstable intermediate dichlorocarbon is formed during. So this one also you should be knowing, very basic question this one. Yes, study sono, methanol will not give you iodoform test. Okay, 17th D, yes, Uday, Shagufta, Prakash, Shweta, yes, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, we get a isomer, that is, we get a intermediate which is CCl2 carbene. Next, phenols are highly acidic compared to alcohols due to. So if I have a comparison between RO minus and phenol, that is O minus. Okay, so which is more acidic? Obviously phenols are more acidic. What is the reason for that? The higher molecular mass of phenols, the stronger hydrogen bonds in phenol. Alkoxide ion is a stronger conjugate base. Phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. Yes, that is option number D. You can see the phenoxide ion, this negative charge can be reduced. It can undergo resonance. It is more stabilized. So that is why option number D here. Next, question number 19. Arrangement of the following compounds based on their boiling points in the increasing order. Okay, so you have to arrange them in the increasing order. So first we have N-butane is given, 1 butanol is given, ethoxyethane is given, and 1 propanol is given. Okay, so first of all, which one we can have? Yes, anyone, students who are giving me the correct answer, please check the answer and tell me what can be the possible compounds. 19B I am getting, yes. So definitely alcohols are having more boiling point, right? So 1 butanol will have highest boiling point, that is present in all the options. Next we have here 1 propanol, they can also have hydrogen bonding, so after that 1 propanol. Then ethoxyethane will have some other force of attraction, that is your London dispersion forces, dipolar forces of attraction, and lastly we will have N-butane which will have only London dispersion forces or van der Waals forces. So it is option number B here. Okay, yes Shweta, you are absolutely correct. Next, question number 20. The number of isomeric alcohols of the molecular formula C6H14 which can give positive iodoform test. Okay, so please take your time and just do all the isomers, take 2 minutes and then answer me this question. Okay, yes, all of you please take this time and do it. You have to, which can give positive iodoform test. A I am getting. So let us see C6H14, right? So first of all I can have the very 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and I can have this structure, right? That is number 1 structure. Next, second I can have like this only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I can put C here, right? That will also give me a structure. Third structure, can I have something like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is here. Okay, next I think I can have more isomers. I can have a structure like this, then 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll make a carbon of 4 chain, okay, and then I can have 2 carbons attached here. Then am I satisfying the H14 rule? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I do like this, then I cannot have 14 hydrogen, rather I am having only 12 hydrogen. So this is not there. Okay, so this is not possible. Yes, so I will have only 3 isomers, option number A here. Yes. Next, question number 21. Phenol is distilled with zinc dust followed by Friedel-Crafts alkylation with propyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3 to give a compound B. B is oxidized in the presence of air to form a compound C. The structural formula of C is. Yes. Answer this question, students. Okay, just a minute. I am not able to see your chat. Okay. Yes. So can you answer this question? Okay, students are saying D. Lakshya is D. Uday is saying B. Okay, now see. First of all, phenol is distilled with zinc dust. So that will give me benzene, right? Phenol with zinc dust will give me benzene. Followed by Friedel-Crafts alkylation to give propyl chloride. So if when you treat it with propyl chloride, okay. So what will happen? See, this is a primary chloride. Cl will be leaving. This will get primary carbocation, but here I will get a secondary carbocation. So there is a rearrangement takes place, and you will get a compound which is your isopropyl chloride or isopropyl benzene. We will get that is your compound number B. Right now, B is oxidized in presence of air to form a compound C. So that is, if you remember, cumene process. That is what is asked in the question. So here what will happen? Double bond OH will be attached. So that is option number B here. Okay. Other 30 questions we have. 30 questions. Next, phenol can be distinguished from ethyl alcohol using. So what is the test used for phenol? How can we distinguish phenol here? How can we use or distinguish the phenol easily? Yes, that is using FeCl3 solution. So phenol neutralizes the FeCl3 solution, and it is a characteristic test for phenol. Okay, please remember this one. Okay, Abhijit, which test series you are telling? Please tell me. I am not getting your question. Next, the alcohols obtained during the hydrolysis of groundnut oil. Okay, so please check this question. What will be the answer here? Yes. Yes, so think this one. This is like pretty a guess based question. Okay, so let's see whether we can do this or not. Yes, anyone? Abhijit Goyal test series is there with the crash course. If you want, you can purchase, you will get that. Okay, study Sono, these all are previous year questions. Difficulty level will be similar according to this level, so we don't have to do much difficult questions. Okay, we have to do an average level question. So yes, propane 1, 2, 3 trial, or we call it glycerol. Okay, so this is your glycerol, which is propane 1, 2, 3 trial. So option number D here. Yes, all of you are saying D, that is correct. Next, the ionization constant of phenol is more than that of ethanol. Why? Ionization constant means, see, phenol will be ionizing in this form. You will get it as O minus plus H plus, and ethanol, which is CH3 CH2 OH, will dissociate as CH3 CH2 O minus plus H plus. Right. So if this is the form happening, then the ionization constant of phenol is more, so I am saying this Ka value. Okay, suppose this is Ka1 and Ka2, this value is more than this one. Why? Phenoxide ion is a stronger base than ethoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, ethoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, phenoxide ion is aromatic, while this is, so yes, the correct answer is B, where phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance, right? Next is question number 25 here. All of you try to answer this one. Question number 25. Lakshya Sinha, there will be no questions from deleted syllabus. Why the questions will be asked from deleted syllabus? You just have to focus on the syllabus. Okay. Yes. So we have CH3 CH2 OHA. You will have CH3 CH2 Cl. Then B, it is giving you CH2 CH2. So to convert from OH to Cl, we can use PCl5 and PCl5 Cl2 will not work. KOH will not work, right? Next, to remove this HCl, that is dehydrohallucination, we can have alcoholic KOH, not aqueous KOH. Aqueous KOH will convert this CH to OH. We will get back this one. So that is why option number D here. Okay. Abhijit, ma'am, my preparation is good. I just want to attempt some mock tests. Abhijit, we don't have that product. We have the complete crash course. So we don't have only mock test. So you have, if you want the mock test, there are 12 mock tests included in the crash course. So you have to buy the full one. Okay. Yes, salicylic acid on heating with soda lime gives. So salicylic acid, if you have like this, that is, this is salicylic acid, right? So on heating with soda lime means that is a decarboxylation reaction. So this one will go, we will be left with only phenol. So that is option number B. Yes. Next, question number 27. Which one of the following forms an aldehyde and then an acid on heating with acidified potassium permanganate? So it forms an aldehyde, then an acid. Means finally the product is an acid when you heat it with potassium permanganate. So it must be a primary alcohol, because primary alcohol first on heating with a strong oxidizing agent like KMNO4, that will give you an acid. So it has to be a primary alcohol, that is option number C. All of you are correct here. Next, glycol, sorry students, glycol is monohydric, dihydric, trihydric or aromatic? Yes, glycol will be 28C. No, it is 28 is B, it is a dihydric. So glycol is this one, okay, and glycerol is this one. Okay, glycol is this one and glycerol is this one. Clear? Next, we have question number 29. The compound which gives hydrocarbon on distillation with zinc dust. The compound which gives hydrocarbon on distillation with zinc dust. Yes, if you treat it with zinc dust, you will get a hydrocarbon. Which one is that? Let me see if anybody has answered. I didn't find any answer for 29. Ethanol. Prakash is saying 29. C, D, A. I am getting different answers. Yes. So if you see orthocresol, okay, what is orthocresol? Phenol is there and you have CH3 group here. So you should remember that phenol with zinc dust will give you benzene, right? So I will get here toluene, which is definitely a hydrocarbon. So the correct answer will be option number C here. Yes, Shagufta is correct. Manish is correct. Next, when glycerol, this is a very important question. When glycerol is treated with excess of HI, it produces. So if you have glycerol, okay, that is OH, I'll write it at the top. This is a very important question. So if you have glycerol, that is like this, and you are treating with excess of HI. So what will be the product here? Okay, I want this answer, all of you, to be more careful and see, okay, because all of you have answered it wrong. So first what will happen, see, this O plus will get protonated, O plus H2 will form, then I minus will replace. So you will get first like this. Okay, now see, iodines are very big molecules and two adjacent carbons having iodine will be highly unstable. So what will happen, this iodine will be removed as I2, okay, and you will get a compound like this. Okay, next you will add again HI. So what will happen, excess of HI is there, so Markovnikov's rule will be followed and H will be added here, I will be added here, because this carbon is having less number of hydrogen, right? So what I will get, CH3, CHI, and then I will get CH3I, right? Next again if I see, not CH3, sorry, CH2. Now again if I see, this is a unstable species, so again here there will be a I2 minus will be released and I will get like this, C double bond CH2 CH. Then if you treat it with HI, now again Markovnikov's rule will be followed, right? So I will get CH3 CI and then I will get CH3, right? So what is this product called as 2-iodopropane, which is your option number D. Okay, clear? Yes. So students, this question was little bit tricky, so please remember this one. Study Sonu ma'am, explain question number 29 again. So what is there in question number 29? So dear, zinc dust, we know, right? Phenol reacts with zinc dust to give you benzene. So in orthocresol we have this phenol group. So when zinc is there, it will get reduced to benzene and this CH3 will be as it is. So that is your hydrocarbon, right? So question number 30 was important and was something which you might be not be knowing. So yes students, I think that many questions I have. So that's all in this session, and students, please do prepare hard for the examination. Very few days are left and all the very best. If you need any other help, do put down in the comment sections. We will definitely bring it for you. Okay. Prakash J, I have to check that. I don't remember whether it is there in the NCERT book or not. I have to check it. Okay. Abhijit, these are previous year questions. It will be available in all the books. Okay, so it is not that it is present only in MTG. Any previous year question book you take, it will be available in there. Okay. Okay, Shagufta, very good. 28. So students, all of you can post down your comments quickly. Study Sonu is saying, ma'am, question number 3 again. Okay. So for study, we have question number 3 once again. Okay. So this is simple question. So when we have studying about cleavage of ethers, right? So this bond, because here if you see this bond is having what? This bond is having lone pairs of electrons and it will be under a double bond formation will be there. It will be a very strong bond. So we cannot break it here. So this bond will break and this is O minus, right? In H plus is there. So this O minus will take H plus. So definitely one of the product will be phenol here. So you have to check that how this product is formed, that is a different thing. But one major product is phenol and that is present in only option number A. So that is why option number A. Okay. So when is the next class? So since today is Monday, right? So tomorrow again you will have maths. Tuesday, Wednesday will be physics. Thursday will be chemistry. Okay. So next chemistry class will be on Thursday and we will be doing questions from the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Okay. So yes, I hope that was helpful for all of you. Thank you so much, and I want all of you to put down your scores. I can find only Shagufta doing that. Students, other students, please do put down your scores, and thank you for watching. Yes, okay, bye bye and take care. Prakash, ma'am, COMEDK will be from NCERT syllabus, right? No out of syllabus question. No dear, whatever is mentioned in the COMEDK official website, I have made a video how to check the syllabus. You can check that. Whatever topics are mentioned there, from that only questions will come. Okay, fine students, that's all, and see you soon in the next class. Thank you everyone.